From the National Weather Service in Raleigh, it's Nick Petro with your routine weekly Monday morning briefing for Central North Carolina. And this briefing goes through the 4th of April. And let's see. So before I show the pattern here, let me just show the current odds. First thing is obviously it's sunny outside. There's few, if any, clouds in the sky. And look at that little big portion of the eastern U.S. is cloud-free, and that's behind a cold front that obviously brought the rain and showers and thunderstorms to our area. I will point out that this is current temperatures. Here are dew points. Look at this dew points in the in the mid to upper 20s. So the air is very dry, and sometimes we use the dew point as an indicator of how cool it may get the next night under clear, calm conditions. So I'm not thinking we're going to drop into the mid-20s tonight, although that could happen perhaps in a few of the colder sheltered areas. I think we're probably going to see more than likely lower to mid-30s for lows tonight, which will prompt or has prompted a frost advisory. Now, of course, we've now that the growing season is underway across a large portion of central North Carolina, that means that from here on, right through the rest of the spring, if there are frost or freeze conditions forecast, we will issue frost advisory or freeze warnings. So keep that in mind as we head through the next few weeks. All right, so let's get to the slides, and here's the pattern. We've got high pressure over us, dry weather. As I mentioned, frost possible tonight. There was a frost advisory. The next weather maker is going to be a cold front headed our way, warm front ahead of it, so that'll give us a chance for showers and thunderstorms possible. It could be as early as Tuesday night, but mainly Wednesday through Wednesday night, and then drying out and turning unseasonably cool again on Thursday, and then dry and cool right through Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So should be a great Easter weekend coming up, and cool, a little bit cooler than normal, but dry. Gradually it'll be warming up as we head towards Sunday, but definitely Thursday night and Friday night look like we could have some deeper freeze conditions. So anybody who's got some plants planted or garden, early start on planting your garden, you'll definitely want to cover things up, okay? All right. How much rainfall? Dry today. What you see painted there for Tuesday across central North Carolina mainly represents late Tuesday night. The next rainmaker, though, will be mainly Wednesday and Wednesday night, and that'll give us anywhere from a half to 1 inch of rainfall for our area. And then turning dry Thursday and Friday and this weekend. So the only rainmaker in the next 7 days will be Wednesday night. Okay, so half inch to 1 inch of rain with that. In terms of the excessive rainfall outlook, which highlights the risk for flash flooding, shows that we're not in any flash flood concern the next 3 days. The severe weather outlook for the next 7 days from the Storm Prediction Center shows that we have a level 1 severe risk, which is a marginal risk for severe storms across our area on Wednesday. So that just means basically very isolated severe thunderstorms if we see any at all. Okay, so that'll be really our main hazard, other than the cold nights as we head through this week. All right, looks like generally odds favor above normal temperatures and below normal precipitation for the following week, for next week. All right, so basically brief and quick and easy briefing this morning. Again, dry today, frost possible tonight, showers and thunderstorms possible Wednesday through Wednesday night with the next cold front, drying out and turning unseasonably cool Thursday, and dry and cool this weekend. That includes Friday as well. As I mentioned, there is a level 1 risk, which is marginal risk for severe thunderstorms across our area on Wednesday. We will bring you updates as we head through tomorrow if that risk looks like it gets any worse. Keep in mind that there's frost possible tonight across all of central North Carolina, and then a more widespread deep freeze is possible later this week, Thursday night, and possibly Friday night as well. So if you have any sensitive plants outdoors, or if you started your garden a little early, be ready to cover that stuff up. Okay? I'll be covering my garden up for sure tonight and probably obviously Thursday night as well. So I did a little early planning, so definitely we'll need to be cognizant of the cold temperatures. All right, watch out for an isolated severe storm or two on Wednesday. Shouldn't be a big deal at this point if we have any at all. And other than that, dry the rest of the week. Okay. All right, so that's your weekly briefing for Central North Carolina for this Monday, the 29th of March.